This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn about constants in GW basic programming language. So first we will read the definition of it and how it is defined. A constant is a quantity whose value cannot be changed. So like if I will give example of like in the word constants are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So viewers, you can understand very well that in the whole world the value of 1 can never be changed. 1 is always called 1, 2 is always called 2, and 2 plus 1 makes 3, and 3 plus 2 makes 5, and 4 plus 3 makes 7. So these are called the constants whose values can never be changed. If I give more specifically, you will know very well the value of pi 3.14159, which is used in the calculation of area calculation of circles. It's very popular value. Pi is a constant value which can never be changed, and unlike a variable, the value, because variable, it's a combination of two different words, variation, and able means it can changeable, means it is combination of two different words, variation, variable. Vary means that it can vary from one individual to the other, and able means that it is able to convert its value from one individual to the other value. So the value stored in a constant can't be changed. So it needs to be kept in your mind that the value of the constant can be changed during program execution. So execution is the process when the source program is interpreted and then executable file, the object file, is generated through which you can see the output of the program. In BASIC, more precisely, in BASIC there are two types of constant. There are two types of constants where it is very important to note that there are actually, first we read the definition of constant. As constant is a constant whose value cannot be changed, and now we are going to discuss that there are two different types of constants, and these are numeric constants and string constants. So there are two different types. So today we are going to learn about the first one, the numeric constant, and in the later video we will discuss the other type, second type, string constant. So today we will discuss the numeric constant. So we will read its definition. What are numeric constants? So the definition is numeric constants consist of integers, single precision, or double precision numbers. So we have already discussed in our previous video about integers, single precision, and double precision numbers. Integer constants, moreover, integer constants represent values that are counted and do not have a fractional part. For example, plus 56 minus 678 or simple 8, etc. So, like, if we talk about the integer constants, the integer constants represent the value that are counted and do not have fractional part. Like 56 does not have a decimal part, like it does not contain a dot or I'm sorry, or a decimal point or fractional part or a real part. Likewise, we can see that 678 also does not have a fractional part, and like 8 is also integer number. These are all integer numbers and they don't have any fractional parts either, so they are called integer constants. But when we talk about single precision single precision or double precision, numeric constants present values that are measures and may contain fractional part. For example, minus 4.786. So basically it's a real number. The number minus 4.78 is a real number, and the part before decimal at the left hand side is called the integral part, and the digit 786 right after the decimal point at the right side are called fractional part. So whenever we talk about single precision or double precision numeric constants, they always have a fractional part. Like I'm giving now the example of 5.0 is also a precision number, and 0.45, etc. They are all called the single precision, double precision numeric constant because they contain fractional part. So I hope that you understand now the difference between integer constant and single precision or double precision constant. It's very simple to understand. And now the single precision, moreover, single precision numeric constants are stored with 7 digits. We have already discussed this thing earlier, although only 6 may be accurate. So it is very important to note that only 6 digits will be accurate and 7 will be, however it can store 7 digits. It has the capacity to store 7 digits. And when we talk about double precision numeric constants are stored with 17 digits of precision, more precisely, and printed with as many as 16 digits. So this is the difference. And viewers, when we talk about a single precision constant is any numeric constant with either, now we're going to discuss different features of it, like 7 or fewer digits. Means that a single precision constant is any numeric constant with either 7 or fewer digits, not more than that, and exponential form using E. So for exponential form, single precision always use the character E. We will not call it letter, we will call it character. But whenever we are talking about the programming, then we are supposed to call it as a character, not letter. A trailing exclamation point, and the trailing exclamation point is this exclamation symbol, which is always used right at the end of the single precision constant. And when we talk about double precision constant is any numeric constant with either you don't need to worry about this syntax error, because I'm just writing using this the IDE of this GW basic program. So viewers, so you don't need to worry about that syntax error, because whenever I press the enter key, so it shows a syntax error message, because it is used whenever I press the enter key, GW basic interpreter actually asks for any command to be executed. So I'm not giving any command, I'm actually typing all these topics. So whenever I press an enter key, so it asks for any command to be executed. So I'm not giving commands, so you don't need to worry about all this syntax error. It happens whenever I press enter key, so I just ignore all these syntax errors messages, so don't worry about that. So we were talking about a double precision constant is any numeric constant with either what? Number one, now we are talking about the features of it: 8 or more digits. More digits means more than 8. Exponential form using D. So here the exponential form is use the character D instead of E. In single precision it uses character E, but in double precision it uses character D. And the last point is a trailing. We have already discussed this earlier. A trailing number sign is the hash sign. So there's a difference between the single precision. So it's always have a trailing exclamation point, and the double precision always have a trailing number sign. So I'm going to giving the examples and just winding it up today's lecture, like the following. So we're going to wind it up today. I'm just giving the examples, some below. The following are examples of single and double precision numeric constants. So what are they? The examples are, now we're going to give you the single precision example and the double precision numeric constant. Single precision constants and double precision constants. So what are they? Like, we can give an example of like 23.08 is an example, and minus 3.15e04. So viewers, we have used the character E, and character E is used for the exponential form. It is used to show and denote the power symbol. 2145.0 37.4 and the sign of exclamation, which is used for single precision. So these are some examples of the single precision constant, and now I'm going to give this sum of the double precision constant. It always have 8 or more digits, so it contains more digits. 3 4 2 2 3 7 8 6 1 is one example. The other one is minus 5.35857D will give capital D 06. So it says that it has an exponential form. Wherever there is an exponent, double precision uses D and single precision use the character E. And the next example is 3220.0 hash sign. And one more example is 764.572.1.1334. So viewers, now today we have discussed the definition of constants and the types of constants. There are basically two types of constants, numeric constant and string constants. So today we have discussed numeric constant, and in numeric constant there are three types. For the three types, they are integer constant, single precision constant, and double precision constant, and we discussed all of them in detail. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching, and in next video we will learn about string constants. So thank you so much.